Introduce yourself.
Hello, this is Pope Peter Emmanuel. This is Cooking with Pope Emmanuel. As many of you are familiar with the style of Pope Emmanuel enjoys life, he believes in life. And one of the ways he manifests his love of living is to cook. And most of all, his cooking, well, this is not kosher pork, because I bought this from the Hispanics, the Mexicans, the Latinos. But if I bought it from Kroger, it would have been kosher. So we are making what's called smoked thin pork chops. You know, I don't eat no thin pork chops like that. But anyway, that's for somebody else. It's not for me. Huh? I just want to tell you, it's so wonderful this evening. It's beautiful outside. It's a great day to be alive. And God bless the United States of America, unlike anywhere else in the world. And it's so wonderful to be here, to be alive, and to be present, and to look at my beautiful home, which is in red, white, and blue. God bless you too. I look to seeing you soon. Today we're going to have this smoked pork, and then we're going to have it reminded me of trying to replenish what these people do on the roadside in Dominica. You know, a lot of people think that, I'm not really a Dominican per se, but I was born there, and no matter what it is, everybody wants to associate me with it. And I used to go on the roadside in Caneville, and these people had the best pork I ever eaten. And all they tell you, you ask them how much it is, they say, oh, it's a portion. You get a portion for so much. And here I can make a portion for myself. And I'm hoping that this pork is going to be just as good. The only thing, it's a little thin. It's a lot thinner than even what I bought down there. And when I went back, I tried to find these individuals. They were on the flat in a place in a village called Caneville, and I couldn't find them. Somebody told me they had moved somewhere. I went to look for them. I didn't find them, and the hurricane came, and life was just totally disrupted. And now COVID has came, and we asked the Lord to bring COVID so that we could humble the Europeans and humble the Asians and all the people that oppressed the sons and the daughters of Ham. You know, and that's what I'm telling you about. Listen to me. You know the philosophy of Pope Emmanuel. You know a luta continua, the struggle continues. We know that you not give up. You never give up. You have to believe in yourself and believe that you are the Lord, as I believe that I am the Lord. And as I bless you today and show you how to make in my own. You know how old this is? This thing is over. This thing has to be, I think I've had this for over 10 years. I'm certain, almost certain, I've had this for 10 or 12 years. And the bottom has come out, but it's still good. It's still good. You see, it's over here at 200 degrees. It's slow cooking, it's smoking. And then after that, look at this. I'm going to do some pork feet, some real peasant food. You see, in order to stay in touch and to be a man of the people, and to be a man of the people and to be with the people, you have to go back to being a peasant from time and time again. And so today, His Holiness is going to see what it's like to be a peasant all over again, to eat the foot of the pig and the foot of the cow, and thin. I mean, only poor people eat thin pork chops, this thin. I bought it from the Hispanics, the Mexicans, and they were rude. Listen, go and vote for Trump again. We're voting for Trump again. God bless you, I bless you, and God bless the United States of America and nowhere else.